So the first thing I mentioned that we're going to do is get our grade book empty so we're ready to go. So I am going to click into my grades, and that's going to be in the red section across the top. That's called the nav bar, and you should see grades as an option in there. So I'll click right on that and it will bring me into grades. The first time you come into Gradebook, it probably is going to take you through what's called the setup wizard. But like I said, the first thing I want to do is make sure my grades are a blank slate. So I'm going to click into the Manage Grades tab. Of those 4 tabs up there, I want to start in Manage Grades to get a blank slate. All right, so I didn't actually start with an imported course for this because there was so much in there and we didn't have time to delete it all. But I have a few things in here and I want to show you how I would delete those. So when I want to delete in my grades, I don't have to check anything to start. What I'll first do is go to More Actions and I will go to the Delete option here. And once I'm here on this page, delete grade items and categories, I can check the box at the top to select everything. But do you see how that one option doesn't check? It also has a big question mark next to it. What that means is this particular item, my assignment 1, is connected to something in my course. It's connected to assignment 1. So I can't delete it until I unconnect it. So before I come in here and delete this, let me go find that item, unassociate it, and then I can clean out my gradebook. So if you did import content into a course, you probably will have a lot of things that show that association that you'll need to unassociate so that you can then delete them. So I'm going to go back to grades. Manage grades. So you can see there, this association column, it shows me this is associated. So if you see that, you'll need to unassociate and then delete. So mine is an assignment. I'm going to go into my assignment section and unassociate that. Okay, assignment 1 is the one I need to delete. Whenever I see this blue ribbon, but it's gray, on something like in assignments or quizzes or discussions, that means it's associated to gradebook. I don't want anything associated yet, so it's easy for me visually to see this is what I have to get rid of. To do that, I'm going to click on the little drop down arrow by assignment 1, and I'm going to choose Edit Assignment. And then you might see that little ribbon again here shows up where it says this is in gradebook. So I want to click on this and choose not in gradebook. I'm going to come back later and reconnect it, but I want to start fresh, so I'm going to unconnect it now. All right, I'm going to save that and close that. To unassociate a quiz item, first I will go to Exams, Quizzes, and again, wherever I see that ribbon that shows an association, I need to remove. So for quiz 1, I'll click on the drop down and I'll choose Edit. Once I'm in the quiz, I can see that it is associated with a gradebook, just like we saw in assignments. So I'll click on the drop down here where it says in gradebook, and I'm going to choose not in gradebook, and now it is unassociated. So when I click Save and Close, and then that quiz would be unassociated from grades. For discussions, I will see whether or not something is associated to a grade item under each topic. These are graded at least the topic level. So for example, on topic week 1, I'm going to choose the drop down next to that, select Edit Topic. I can see that this is in the gradebook. When I click on this drop down, I can choose either not in gradebook if I want to keep points on it but unassociate it. If I keep the score out of value, the ribbon will still show on the main discussions page, but the discussion will be unassociated, so I can delete it. Or I can choose Reset to Ungraded, which will return the points to 0 and unassociate it. For this case, I'm going to say not in gradebook, but return those 10 points. Click Save and Close. And the Include Assessment ribbon still shows, but I did unassociate that discussion. I'll repeat this for any other discussion topics. We'll set this one to ungraded, save and close. And now when I go back to grades, up in the nav bar, I'll click on grades near the top right. And then I'm going to switch over to manage grades because that's where I can go to delete things, manage grades. And then if you remember, I had to go to more actions to delete things. So more actions, delete. And now I can check everything in my gradebook. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to click to delete these 2 things. It's telling me make sure I want to do that. I do want to do that because I want to start fresh. And now my gradebook is empty. These 2 options here, final calculated and adjusted, are going to always be there.